In this video, you will learn how to fix highlights not working on Instagram. Many people face problems when trying to add stories to their highlights. Sometimes, the stories don't show up at all. This can be frustrating because highlights are a great way to showcase your favorite moments on your profile. But don't worry, I will go through some easy steps to solve this issue. To get started, open up the Instagram app. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping on the profile picture icon, located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now that you're on your Instagram profile, tap on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Next, scroll down until you find an option labeled Archiving and Downloading. Once you've located Archiving and Downloading, tap on it. Look for an option called Save Story to Archive. If this setting is turned off, it could be why your highlights aren't functioning properly. Simply toggle on the switch next to Save Story to Archive. Once enabled, this feature automatically saves all your stories into an archive after they expire, making them available for highlighting later. And there you have it. By simply adjusting one setting within your Instagram account, you can ensure that highlights function smoothly. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.